Hey guys, now if you've been watching my videos, the other day I crashed my drone Possum 2 into a tree in Charleston, West Virginia, trying to film a big boy statue that was up on a pole. I was able to recover it. Unfortunately, the camera or gimbal right here, that was damaged. It is unresponsive. It does weird motions by itself, and it vibrates wildly when it's in the air. So this needs to be replaced. It was about $250 on Amazon to get a new gimbal. So I've got the new gimbal. Like, afraid to even touch it. It's right here, and I'm going to try to replace it myself. So I've got this tiny little hex screw that will fit into the tiny little screws here, and we're gonna do this to try not to ruin the drone. Of course, it's always helpful when you have cats crawling all over you when you're trying to do a project. Yeah, these screws are super tiny screws. Don't want to lose any of these. I am by no means, I am not an electronics person. I looked up how to do this on the internet. I think I'm smart enough to follow directions. There, I think there's six little screws that you gotta take out. It's really scary. You don't want to such a magnificent piece of equipment. You really don't want to muck it up. That is one of my few complaints about the Mavic Pro is the that camera is very fragile in the front. It is, you can just tell it's not loose. The one I had in the Phantom, it was a beast. It took plenty of headers into the ground. It still managed to work. But this is the first time I wrecked it, and it messed up. I think that something was always kind of off about the gimbal. I'm not sure why, because I never had wrecked it before. But it was always just a little wacky, it didn't film quite straight. I had to readjust it. I saw several sites would sell like broken drones where you could take the parts. I just didn't want to risk that because you don't know if it's been damaged, if it's been in a wreck. It's probably the first thing compromised. So I bought a brand new one. Now let's see. Come on, kitty. You're not good at putting together gimbals. Oh, you guys have to table. I don't want you to knock the little screws down.
Nita from Fix a Crash, and today I'm going to show you.
Shout out to this lady. This is her directions I'm following. The screw's got a piece of glue stuck inside of it. Gonna dig that out.
Lift up this portion here so that you stray.
Gosh, I got this back part loosened, but this top part is giving me some trouble. The lady in the video just kind of lifted it off, but it's a little tighter for some reason. There we go. Got the top shell off. And look at all that scary technology inside there. Lots of stuff I don't want to mess up. So we're going to be very, very careful.
Two right here lead to each of the main core boards. Make sure to be very careful when you're taking these connectors out, as there's a bit of glue holding them down.
Alright, I'm going to need another tiny screwdriver. This is great. Alright, here's the big move. We're going to take this and pull it out. Well, at least I thought we were. Again, I keep finding more screws that I haven't taken out yet. Oh gosh. Oh, it's coming. There we go. Removed the gimbal. Now all we gotta do is get the new one back in there. So we got to get this brand new gimbal inside our drone. Just do everything I just did in reverse, which may be harder than it sounds. Get all these connectors back in. For some reason, it's way harder to screw these in than it was to unscrew them. I was unable to get the screws driven in all the way, so I had to actually run to the hardware store. I bought a new screwdriver. It was better than the little one. Hopefully better than the little one I was using. The cats are still all over me for some reason. Alright, let's see if we can get these screws in. Gosh, working on electronics to this degree is something that's truly requires skilled hands, which I do not have. Alright, got the shell back on. Yeah, you gotta screw everything in tight. This thing actually has to fly, so you won't want it like coming apart in the air or something dumb like that. Doesn't help when you have fat, chubby fingers. Alright, we've got it all screwed back together. Let's see if it's alive. It's alive! Let's see if we get it to work. Okay, I don't normally encourage people to fly their drones indoors, but it's pretty dark outside. Alright, actually I'm getting a signal visually, so let's see if she... Hey, Maggie! Cat's standing over there by the drone. Hey, you don't want to be by that. I'm an idiot. Alright, but it does look like I am in control of the gimbal. Looks like everything is repaired. I didn't break anything smashing against the wall just there. So we are in business. Welcome back to life. Possum 2.